In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer site ownership in Wix, step-by-step 2026 guide. Whether you're handing a project to a client or moving it to a teammate, this process makes sure the right person becomes the legal owner, while you choose what access and billing go with it. Start by signing into the Wix account that currently owns the website. This is important. Only the site owner can initiate a transfer. Roles like website manager or co-owner can't do this. So if you don't see the option later on, double check that you're in the correct owner account. From your main dashboard, head to All Sites. You can get there by clicking the Wix logo or the Go to All Sites link at the top left. This opens your site library where every project you manage is listed. If you have a lot of sites, use search or scan carefully to pick the exact one you want to hand over. Hover over the site's thumbnail and click Site Actions, which is the three dots in the upper right corner. This menu is where Wix keeps key management tools for each project, so make sure you're on the correct site before moving forward. Choose Transfer Site. You'll be asked for the email address of the person you're transferring to. Type it carefully and double check for typos because Wix will send the invitation there. If the recipient doesn't have a Wix account yet, they'll be prompted to create one during acceptance, so you don't need to set anything up for them in advance. Next, set your transfer options. You can keep your role as a manager if you still need to help with edits after the transfer. Remember, keeping manager access does not make you the owner. It only preserves editing rights. You can also decide whether to transfer the premium plan and any connected domain. Moving the plan shifts billing and premium features to the new owner. Transferring the domain moves ownership within Wix. If your domain is hosted elsewhere, you'll manage DNS separately. Only choose what truly needs to move so billing and control end up with the right person. Click Next or Transfer Site to send the invitation. The transfer isn't complete yet. Wix emails the recipient a link and they must click Accept Transfer for ownership to switch. If they don't see it, remind them to check spam or promotions folders. Finally, verify acceptance. The invite expires in 3 days. Once accepted, the site appears in their account. You'll receive confirmation, and if you chose to remain a manager, you'll still see the site with reduced permissions. That's it for this walkthrough. Follow these steps carefully, and your handoff will be smooth and secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.